Hello and welcome everybody. It's KB here. So if I give you this picture and ask you to remove the background from this, how long will it take? I think even for professionals, it will take around solid 2 to 5 minutes. Let's say 1 minute, but I can do it in 5 seconds. Yes. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove background from your picture within 5 seconds. And don't worry about the quality. It will be perfect. And of course, it will be free of cost. And if you remove the background from your picture a lot, this will change your life. Yeah. So go to this website, express.adobe.com, which I will put link in the description. You can go there and visit here and sign in with Adobe account. Don't worry, you don't need to pay. If you don't have an Adobe account, you can sign up and create a free account. Once you sign in, you'll be greeted with something like this. You can do a lot more things in this, but in this video, we're just going to focus on the removing background from the pictures, almost any pictures. All right. So you'll see try quick actions option, and in there you just need to find this option, remove background. Just click on that. Now all you need to do is drag and drop the picture which you want to remove the background. All right, just do that. You can see this is the same picture that I showed you earlier. It has complicated background, and I'm being honest here, if I needed to remove the background manually, wow, it's done already. It would take me around solid 15 to 30 minutes because I'm not too good at using the Photoshop or any photo editor to remove the background. And you can see 5 seconds and background is gone. We can click on download. Once you click on the download, it will actually take you to the photo editor. You can also edit the photo even further, add text and whatnot. So you just want the PNG of the photo that you just edited. All you can do is at the top right side, there is the download option. Just click on that and select the option PNG transparent background, right? Just start download. And if I open that downloaded file, you can see we have the picture without the background. It's amazing. Let's try with the another picture that I have. This is a dog, and it also has kind of a complicated background, but yeah. There we go. We have the dog without the background now within 5 seconds for free. Yes. And we can click on customize, which will actually take you to the same place as when you click on the download option. In here, you can do even further editing on your photo. I'm just going to download the PNG file of this dog. All right. Because it looks cute. All right. And you can see we have the dog without the background. And this service is actually made by Adobe. It is an online service. You can go to the website, or actually there is an application for Windows PC. If you go to the Microsoft Store, you can go there and download this application. There is an app for iOS and Android too. Yeah, you can use this on almost any device. It's completely free, no ads. And it's made by the Adobe, who made the most popular softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Photoshop and whatnot. Yeah, this is really good free service by Adobe. That's all I want to say. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or suggestions, please do the comment. I'll be really happy to reply you. And yeah, that's it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.